හෙලෝ අද වීඩියෝ එකෙන් මම කියන්න හදන්නේ ඔයාලට ඕනම software එකක් තනියෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රමයක් ගැන. ඒකට ඔයා මුලින්ම Google එකේ search කරගන්න Google AI Studio කියලා. හරි ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මෙහෙම උඩින්ම link එකක් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් Google AI Studio කියලා. ඒක උඩ click කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මෙහෙම Google AI Studio ලගේ වෙබ්සයිට් එක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මුලින්ම ඔයා මෙතන create prompt කියන එක යටින් තියෙන stream real time කියන එක click කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන යට තියෙන share your screen කියන එක click කරන්න. හරි ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මෙතන window කියන tab එකෙන් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් දැනට open වෙලා තියෙන softwares ටික. ඔයා මෙහෙම open කරගෙන නැත්නම් මෙතනට ඔයාලට කැමති software එකක් open කරගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතනින් ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් එහෙම open කරගත්තු software ටික. මම දැනට මේ word කියන එක select කරගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ share කියන එක දෙන්න. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see the document you have open in Microsoft Word. Is there anything specific about the document that you'd like to discuss?
What is this text?
The text in the document reads, "Hello, how are you? Welcome to Jana YouTube channel. Subscribe now." Would you like me to elaborate on anything else?
How to insert a new page?
To insert a new page in Microsoft Word, you can go to the Insert tab and click on Blank Page. Would you like me to provide more details on this?
Yes.
Okay, to insert a blank page, first, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Then, look for the Pages group, and within that group, you will see a button called Blank Page. Clicking on that button will insert a new blank page after your current page. Do you want to know about other ways to insert a new page?
Yes.
Another way to insert a new page is by using a page break. To do this, place your cursor where you want the new page to start. Then, go to the Insert tab and in the Pages group, click on Page Break. This will end the current page and move the following text to a new page. Do you have more questions about inserting pages in Word?
No, how to change my font size?
To change the font size in Microsoft Word, first, select the text you want to modify. Then, in the Home tab, look for the font group. In that group, you'll find a drop-down menu with the current font size displayed. You can click on this drop-down menu and select a different font size from the list. Do you want more guidance on how to do this?
Yes.
Okay, first select the text you want to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words. Then, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Font section of the ribbon, you'll see a box with a number in it, which indicates the current font size. Next to that, there are two buttons to increase and decrease font size. Clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the box, you will see a list of different font sizes you can select. Choose a new size, and the text will change accordingly. Do you have any further questions?
Yes, how to change my font style?
To change the font style in Microsoft Word, select the text you want to modify. Then, go to the Home tab, and in the Font section, you'll see a drop-down menu showing the current font style. Click on this menu to see a list of different font styles. Choose the one you want, and your selected text will update. Is there anything else you would like help with?
How to save this file as PDF?
To save the file as a PDF, you should click on File in the top left corner, then Save As. In the Save As window, you'll see a drop-down menu under the file name field where you can select the file type. Choose PDF from that list and then click the Save button. Do you have any other questions for me?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
හරි ඒ විදිහට පුළුවන් ඔයාලට ඕනම software එකක් තනියෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඔයාගේ screen එක share කරලා Google AI Studio එකත් එක්ක එහෙනම් අද වීඩියෝ එක බලුවට ගොඩක් ස්තුතියි වීඩියෝ ගේම් මොනවා හරි ඉගෙන ගත්තා නම් channel එක subscribe කරන්නත් අමතක කරන්න එපා. Thank you.